So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a glamorous look without the eyeshadow. So keep tuning in. I already did my eyebrows already. That will be in the link below. So click on the link below and it shall get you to my eyebrow tutorial. But as for now, I'm going to be doing a glamorous look without the eyeshadow. Sometimes we just want to go to the store, we just want to walk down the street, we just want to not have so much makeup on for the day. I love a dramatic look. I love a high beat. I love a high beat. I love to glam myself up, but sometimes we just don't feel like doing all of that. We just don't feel like going through it. We just want a nice simple look, little to no makeup, or even just a little eyeshadow. But sometimes we say we're gonna put on a little eyeshadow and then we start packing on different kinds. Well, in this video, we are not going to be using any eyeshadow. So maybe it'll be a quick beat, maybe it won't. But if you keep watching, you shall find out. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am very friendly and I can get you right. Yes, I am looking a mess, but that shall soon be done. So guys, just tune in for my next video. And make sure that you put in the link, not the link, but in the comments below, let me know what looks you guys want me to create, what looks you guys want me to do. You can even message me pictures that you want me to recreate, things in that nature. That way you won't keep seeing the same look. Maybe I can create some, I don't know, some out of my range looks, because I'm more of a cut crease person. But if you want me to create anything else, I can try. Not saying that I can, but just message me, let me know what you want me to recreate, and I can try to do it. Again, I am new to this, not to the makeup world, but I am new to the videos. So if I keep messing up and I keep taking my attention off, it's because I'm still a little shy. I do take criticism well, so let me know what you think in the comments below. Again, subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell to the top just to be notified whenever I post any of my videos or post anything. So as for now, keep watching, guys. Bye.
So as you guys can see, my eyebrows are done already. And if you want to see the tutorial for my eyebrow, the link will be in the description below. I will now be using my Juvia's Place foundation in Burkina 310. I'm going to be applying that to my eyelid and blending it out. I'm going to be using my Real Technique blending brush to blend out the product. I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro gel liner to make that dramatic wing that I love. So once again, I'm going to be doing the same exact thing that I did on the other side. Guys, these lashes are from my company, the Glam Dolls collection, and they are the bomb. DM me if you want to order them. Kind of new with applying lashes on good. This has been one of my hardest things to do while doing makeup. So guys, like in the beginning, I said that I'm a very dramatic person and I love a dramatic look. So just because I didn't put no shadow on, I like to go with a dramatic lash or a dramatic wing or something in that nature. But this is my natural look, not the lashes, but this is my natural beat that I would do. Well, my eye part, this is my natural part. Like if I'm not doing any eyeshadow
or anything like that. I like to go with a dramatic wing and dramatic lashes. So now I am going to get into the beats. So subscribe below and hit that notification button so you would be notified when I am doing whatever. You understand what I mean. So subscribe below and hit that notification button.
So guys, if you haven't heard before, this is milk and magnesium. Yes, a lot of people use it for their belly and belly works and stuff like that. But a lot of MUAs use it to prime their skin with before applying foundation, because it helps soaks the oil into your skin and it lasts all day. I love this product. Now I am going to be using my Elements face oil. This product is the bomb, guys. You have to go and get it. I love it. It helps not to dry up your skin too much with the milk of magnesium. So I usually apply it right after I apply the milk of magnesium and just pat the product on once I apply it. So right now I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place foundation in Mali 130 and Burkina 310. And I'm going to mix it together and apply it. I'm not going to be using one of the best products. Yes, Juvia's Place concealer in number 13. I'm going to apply it under my eyes, forehead, nose, and chin. Now guys, you're going to be blending. When I say blending, you're going to blend. Now I'm going to be using one of my favorite setting powders from the crayon case in the letter Y. So I am going to be using the Contourization notebook from the crayon case. Guys, this palette is from the Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics, and I'm going to be using the color red as my blush. Now I'm going to be going into my Contourization notebook once again and using my highlighter in Trophy. Guys, I'm going to be using some brownish purplish liquid lipstick. I don't have a brand name for it because it was something that I had with my makeup. I don't know where it's from. I know I bought it, but I can't remember the name where I got it from, guys. Sorry about that.